Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge Primary Science Stage 5, Chapter 2, The Life Cycle of the Flowering Plants. Our first topic is why plants have flowers. Why plants have flowers? Flowers that form the fruits and the seeds, which help the plant to reproduce. So what flowers do? They form the fruits and seeds which help the plant to reproduce. White and yellow are the most common flower colors in nature. But people plant garden with the plants that have flowers that are pink or red. How flowers help plant to reproduce? Many plants have flowers, but not all do. Some flowers are big, colorful, scented. Some flowers are small and are not brightly colored. They do not have scent. When a plant produces flowers, the flowers last only for a few days. Then they wither and fall off the plant. But part of the flower stays behind on the plant, and that part becomes a fruit. Flowers form the fruits. We have already discussed that flowers form the fruits and the seeds. So how, when the flower wither and fall off the plant, but part of flower stays behind it, that behind on the plant, this part becomes a fruit. And then the seeds form inside the fruit. The seeds grow into a new plant. From the fruit, then the seeds grow, and then the seeds become a new plants. Then the new plants grow and produce flower to form the new fruits and seeds. This is how the flower help plant to reproduce to form the new plants. Which plants do not have flowers? We have already discussed that plants have flowers, but not all the plants do. So which plants do not have flowers? Mosses and ferns, they do not have flowers. These are the two plants which do not have flowers, and they do not have seeds either. They do not have flowers and they do not have seeds either. Cone-bearing plants. What are the cone-bearing plants? They are the plant that reproduces using the cones. And it is green all the year, like the pine trees and the cycads. And these cone-bearing plants are called the conifers, and it is easy to identify the conifers because majority are the trees and they have the bracteate cones which contain the seeds, right? So cone-bearing plants are called the conifers, and they are easy to identify because they are majority of them are trees and they have the bracteate cones which contain the seeds. So cone-bearing plants, they are green all year like pine trees and cycads, and they have the seeds but not flowers. They have the seeds but no flowers. So they reproduces using cones. Complete these sentences. Seeds germinate and that grow into a new plants. The plants form the flowers and then become the fruits, and then it contains that fruit that contains the seeds. And why don't we usually find the flowers and fruits on a peach tree at the same time? Because we have already discussed that when the fruit form, after that the peach fruit that form from the peach flowers, that fruit is formed from the flowers. So really you might see a peach flower that is late in, you can say that in flowering, that can coincide with the early fruit development. Draw a bar chart of a flower colors. Dinah and James counted the number of flowers of different color. These are their results. Suppose they are the flower color like pink, white, red, blue and brown, and they have counted the number of flowers like pink are 7, white 10, red 4, blue 2 and brown 3. This is the bar chart of the flower color. So this is the bar chart of the flower color, and these pink, white, red, blue and brown. So which flower color is most common? That is white. Which flower color is least common? You can say it's 2 number of flowers, that is blue. And how many flowers are of red color? That is 4. So these are the questions you will study. Which flower color is most common? White. Which flower color is least common? Blue. How many flowers were red? That is 4. And do you think you have enough evidence to form a conclusion about the flower color? Say why and why not? No, because you would have to count a lot of flowers over a long time. It's always good to have more evidence on that. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.